Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video. So in this video we are going to see very amazing thing which is present in Android. So that thing is known as Shimmer Effect. So maybe you make a lots of application and on the time of loading a data, on the time of fetching the data from some external source, it may take some time. So on that time you may show the progress bar in your application. So there is a better alternative for progress bar. You can use Shimmer Effect, which is provided by the Facebook. So you can use that Shimmer Effect in your application and it will enhance your UI experience of your application. So when you are making an API call, when you are trying to fetch data from any external source, it will going to take some time. It will depend on your internet connection, 0.5 second or 1 second. So on that time, till that, you can say we can show some shining effect on our screen according to that layout, and then we will show the data when we get the data from our external source. So first of all, if you don't know what is Shimmer Effect, first of all I want to show the demo. So you can see I open this news application. So you can see it is shining over because we are making an API call here, and now I get the data and you can see data start appearing here. So instead of showing progress bar on my main screen, I am showing that Shimmer Effect, which and shining effect you can say. So in this video we are going to see how to implement that effect in our Android Studio. So I am going to use my news app project. So if you don't know how to create news app, you can implement this Shimmer Effect in any application. But if you want to create a news application, then it already on my channel. So visit my playlist and you can create this news application easily. So in this video, it doesn't matter whether you want to implement in any project. You can check that video because I am going to explain everything. So don't further delay. Now let's start the video. And if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. So now let's start the video. So I open this news application and I already uploaded the tutorial, so you can check that. So first of all I close everything and now open your colors.xml, and first of all let's create our layout for our Shimmer Effect. So now I simply creating a color here, show shimmer color. You can give any color and it is your choice whether you want to use my color. You can use your own color code. So my color code is #DDDD and you can make it a little bit dark extra if you want. So this is my color code. You can use your own color code. It is your choice. Now if we want to use Shimmer Effect, then we have to use a library. So open your Gradle scripts and build.gradle module app, and here we have to add a library. So first of all I open this notepad file, and this is the dependency. You can type it as it is. So I copy this dependency and I paste this dependency here. So you have to add this dependency. This is provided by the Facebook and this is Shimmer Effect. So I click on sync now. So dependency set up correctly. So we are ready to write the code. So first of all we have to create a separate layout for our shimmer. So I open my layout item. This is the card of the recycler view. So I want to show my Shimmer Effect same as my recycler view item. So if you have a different item, then you have to create shimmer according to your own item, and you can use this and otherwise, but it will be better if you create the exact item like your recycler view item. So this is my recycler view item, you can see. So what I can do, I can copy paste the whole code, Control A and Control C copy, then right click on layout, then new, then click on layout resource file, and I give the file name here Shimmer Layout. You can give any name, it is your choice. I click this Shimmer Layout and click on OK. Now first of all I cancel this. Now click on split and paste the code here and remove the extra space. Now what I need, I don't need a text view. I want to show a shining effect here. So I can delete this text line, and what I can do, I can add a background here, background shimmer color. So you can see it is looking fine here. So it is your choice whether you want to remove radius or not, and corner radius, it is completely depend on you. Now inside layout or content, I want to show also content here. So I can add here background shimmer color. So it will going to show this color, and I can remove this main content from here. Now on the place of image, I also want to show shimmer. So I delete this and I add a background shimmer color. So now it doesn't contain any space here, so I can add a margin left here, margin left 10 dB, and I add a margin. So instead of adding background here, so Control X, cut this, and I paste the background line here. So you can see now it is fine, and it is creating a better effect, like it is differentiating whether it is a text or something else. It contains two portions. Now here I am showing the author name, so I delete this, and I also add a background here, shimmer color. Now I can give the margin top here, because this is not related to our recycler view item. It is just an overview of how our recycler view item is going to look. So it doesn't matter whether you are adding a margin here, it is better to add a margin here to create a better difference. Now delete this also text, and I add a background here, shimmer color, and I add a margin top here 5 dp. That's it. So you can see my shimmer effect is ready, and this is just a layout. Now what I have to do, I have to open where I want to show my recycler view. So I am going to implement only this inside my home fragment, where I am going to show only home uses. So first of all, I add this recycler view. You can see recycler view is present here. So first of all, I have to set the visibility of my recycler view gone. So now you can see recycler view is present here but is not showing because I set the visibility gone. So I have to take a shimmer layout here. So take an open bracket, time pair shimmer layout, frame layout, this one, set the layout with match parent, wrap content, and give any ID. So I give the ID here shimmer. You can give any. Now close this. Now inside this, what I have to take, I have to take a linear layout here, then match parent and wrap content, then close this. So instead of wrap content, I have to give a match parent to show this on whole screen. Now what I have to do, I have to include my layout of shimmer layout. So include, and I have to include the layout, and the layout name is shimmer layout. So you can see my recycle view item is start appearing here. So what I can do, I can copy this, Control C, copy, paste, and again paste. You can paste it for 3 times, it is your choice. And now I have to set the orientation vertical. So you can see lots of shimmer effects are, lots of items are available here. So it will going to create a shining effect on entire screen. That's it. Now what I have to do, close this, close this. So this recycler view of home fragment, so I have to open my Java file of home fragment. So you have to declare a variable for shimmer layout first of all. So shimmer frame layout, shimmer frame layout. Now assign the XML ID into Java ID. So shimmer frame layout dot, first of all, v dot find view id r dot id dot shimmer. Now after this we can directly start this. So shimmer layout frame layout dot start shimmer, so it will start the shining effect. So now you can see I make a API call here, find news. So whenever I make the API call here, so if I get response successful, then I have to show all data on my recycler view. So if I get the data successfully on that time, what I have to do, I have to shimmer layout dot stop shimmer, and then I have to set the visibility of this shimmer layout dot set visibility. I have to make it gone, and then at last what I have to make, I have to make my recycler view visibility visible. So recycler view of home dot set visibility visible. That's it. So you can see now we implemented the shimmer effect successfully. So it's time to check our app whether the app is working or not. And I hope guys you feel this very easy, and if you have any question you can comment down below. So now let's check our app. So for this I have to connect my phone. So I connect my phone, and now I have to press on run button. So you can see Gradle start building. So now Gradle builds successful, and it will going to install the application inside our phone, and application installed successfully. So on the time of loading you can see shimmer effect working fine, and now I get the data. So you can see now I run this application again to show whether it is working fine. So I open this again. So you can see our shining effect working fine till the time of loading, and now I get the data on my recycled view. So I hope guys you like this video, and this is very good approach to show the shimmer effect on the time of loading. If you have a slow internet connection, if user have a slow internet connection, then it will not get distracted, and it will create a better UI on your application. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you want to create this news application, then check out my playlist. All projects are available in my playlist. If you are new to channel, then please subscribe the channel and please share the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. So thank you, see you soon in next amazing video.